Mình xua Pan. Are you here or are you sleeping?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, did you download the
I'm
spreadsheet
here.
yet?
Yes, I'm
Okay,
done.
okay. Alright, let's go through this together. So tell me like how to find the annual value.
And you will like
Yeah,
um your quantities and time the unit fly.
okay. So put equal sign here and you click on the cell B2, multiply star, and then click on the other cell and then press enter. Do you guys see this? Alright, and then you see like the little square in the corner right here, just drag it down. And you see everything here, the number. Okay, I might change the format a little bit. Oh. Okay, you guys see that? And ring. So you use ring equation. I think the last time we used this equation, ring number comma different. So ring function equal ring reference. Oh, ring number D2. Okay, D2 comma and then put the range here. D2 to D10. Okay. So again, so the function ring here, you guys see the function here. So we ring cell D2, this value, and comma, and then you put the range. And then you ring cell this cell among the overall the range from D2 to D10. So that's why you put like that. Yeah. And make sure it won't shift the row, so you just put the dollar sign. Maybe the dollar sign right here to make sure it doesn't shift. And you see the square right here, just drag it down, same thing. So you just copy the formula. Nope, that's not it. Oh, I put the dollar sign wrong. So you guys see when I put it wrong, I rank D3, but the range here is from D3 to D11. No, we don't want that. We want from D2 to D10. So we change the dollar sign. So the dollar sign is supposed to be here. To make sure it won't move. And here you go. Right, you see this? And you check here. So the only difference is the range, the cell number here. And the range formula here the same because we use dollar sign. So yeah, everything's here straight. And then the next step is you filter it out. So you filter it, you sort it from smallest to largest. You sort this, select this, and then sort smallest to largest. Expand selection. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, everyone get this? Get it yet? So you rank it and then you filter, you sort. You select this, you select the range here from D2 to D10 and you click sort smallest to largest. And then it will sort out everything from number 1 to number 9. Got it? And then what we need to do, what is the next column? Okay, let's see. Right, the next column is find proportion. So just find proportion. Proportion in percentage. Again, proportion in percentage. Oh, for the rank here, I mean, you could copy to this one. You could copy to to the next table below and put. And I copy this rank and put it on the side. But for this one, I don't care. I don't care really much. Just always change the proportion here, and then proportion equal. I need to ask question to someone. I'm not sure how to pronounce your name. Seie, and last name is Lee. Hello. Yeah, I'm going to type that. C. You pronounce your name C. C Lee. Did I say it right? Hello, are you here? Oh, Lily. Never mind. Sorry. Are you here, Lily? Hello. I don't hear anything. Okay, could you tell me how to find the proportion? The proportion of like the annual value of each item? Okay, so that's fine. Again, if you're not clear with anything, please let me know. Because this thing you need it in your life, even though you're not like doing Korean logistic, but it's like general knowledge. It's a foundation knowledge. So proportion of the overall value and percentage. So you just take the so first we need to find the total value. Total value could be income. Total income. So total income. Let me move these. To this cell. And then this one just sum. Add them up everything here. D2 to D10. So you find a total one. Total value. Alright, proportion. So I will highlight this. So make sure you get it. So proportion equal to proportion of the value. Equal the value of this item divided by this cell. And we have to put the dollar sign on both sides. So we want to make sure that this cell doesn't shift when we scroll down. Alright, so we do percentage here, 44%. Add number 44.6. Alright. And you see little square here, you just scroll it down. Got that? Okay. And the next column is what? Percentage accumulated. So percentage accumulated, again, you just add equal. So the first one, you don't add anything, 43.6. Second one equal this F3 plus the previous one, P2. And the item ring number 3 equal its own proportion plus this one. Yeah. Now you get formula, and then you just scroll it down here. So you can see. Yeah. And again, like so item A accounted for 80%. So this is A. Item B from 80 to 95. So B, this one B, and class C from 85 and 95 to 100%. But you mean it accounted for 5% of the total income. C. Okay. Name this class. Okay. So just do this real quick. Make sure it look nice. Okay. Alright, everyone have any question about how to do it? Yeah, in the real world you have like thousands and thousands of rows. And there's a function that help you to classify this A, B, C, D. There's a function to do that. I mean, you could do some research by yourself. I mean, you have to write like conditional function about it, like what if, any accumulated item less than 80%, we classify it class A. So yeah, we just use this function. Like we have to write this function here in Excel. So we're like find everything. But for this class, like we're not going to that Excel function. Okay. If let's say if I give you a spreadsheet in a quiz, can you guys find, like, let's say if I delete this cell, say I delete this, do you guys know how to find it from this cell to, if like I ask you to fill out the blank? That's it. I mean, for
So can
Excel,
you do the proportion again?
Okay. Proportion. So proportion, you just use, so proportion of what? All right, proportion of percentage of annual value. Okay, when it's a proportion of annual value, make it big here. Proportion of annual value, so I'll put it in the middle. Okay. So proportion of annual value, what we have to do is just like take the annual value of each item divided by the total value. Okay, you get it?
Yes, sir.
So the formula here is the same. This cell D2, cell D2 divided by cell D11. Here, this is D11. I put dollar sign because I want the next cell to be the same because I'm gonna like scroll everything down. I don't have to type a formula one by one, so I use this little square here, select it, and then scroll it down so it doesn't move. Let's say if I don't use dollar sign, if I don't use dollar sign, it might. So there are two dollar sign, one in between the number and one to the left. So if you don't use dollar sign, when you scroll down, it might be wrong. So this thing is the same because there's no other number in the column. But let's say if I just use dollar sign here, when I scroll it down, it will shift the number. See, it won't tell you anything. It won't tell you anything. D12, there's nothing in D12. There's nothing in D13. So if you want to fix the cell, because we know we're going to use every single number divided by the total value. So this is always at the bottom. This number is always at the bottom. So we want to fix the cell, we just put dollar sign on both sides of the letter and just scroll it down here. Okay. Any other question? Yeah, I will upload these. I mean, you could see the formula in here. Everything here, how I do it. And we upload it to the classroom too. So I'll do it right now. So this is just like this first demonstration is just like the number. Second demonstration, it have answer and formula, so you could practice at home. It's not that hard, guys. Just practice. I know my first year at college, I also struggled, but right now it's just piece of cake. Not trying to show off, but it's really easy. And like sometimes you forgot, like you done it before, so you just like Google it. How, let's say, how to rank item, how to do that, and like you get your knowledge back, you know. Yeah. So everything is in Week 7 resources. Okay, I think time is almost over and class dismissed. See you guys on Monday, and we will have quiz on Monday. All right, have a good one, everyone. And like for those that I didn't call the name